Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be showcasing the Blizzard fruit. The Blizzard fruit costs about 2,400,000 belly. And for this showcase I will be using maxed out fruit stats. The first move, Snowflake Shuriken, when tapped does about 2,987 damage. When held down it does 3,585 damage. The second move, Whiteout, does about 3,983 plus damage. The third move, Howling Wind, does 2,987 damage. The Flight Tornado Flight does about 996 plus damage per tick. Now finally the last move, Blizzard Domain. This move summons a giant dome that does 1,392 plus damage. This also has a slowing effect on enemies. Overall I really like the Blizzard fruit mainly because of its domain. If the first two moves were a little stronger I probably would main the fruit, but with that being said it still is a good fruit for sea events, V4 trials, and PvP. Plus it is a really fun fruit. With that being said, don't forget to subscribe for more Blox fruit showcases and guides. Also let me know what I should showcase next in the comments.